The relationship between some citizens and law enforcement is volatile, and sometimes it don't take much effort between the two for something to pop off.
Excuse me? Stop being a pig. What does that mean, being a pig? What does that mean?
You harassing kids.
She's beating us over. Pull over. Pull her over.
Hit my finger.
Yeah, you hit her in the face, too.
Yeah, after she had my fingers in her mouth.
That shit ain't right, man.
Oh, he keeps stinging me! Stop stinging me!
You got her down.
Stop stinging me! Worry about who he is.
Have a seat over here, miss.
Whoa!
Shut up, bitch!
Stop
Before I spit
spitting!
on your ass
Stop
again.
spitting! In my opinion, that was completely avoidable. If she would have just continued driving rather than stopping in the road and getting involved, she would have avoided that situation. Or if she was that passionate about the situation, she should have just pulled over like they told her to do and continued talking on the side of the road instead of driving away. Now, were the officers justified in what they did? Yeah. As a law enforcement officer, I saw how it played out, and I know how they would articulate that. But was it necessary? Hell no. They could have avoided the situation just like she could have. They could have just let her drive off and they just forgot about it. Either way, encounters like that just add fuel to the fire, and it just put us one more step in the wrong direction. What do you think?